Yes, Nike reported a great quarter last night, but tonight I want to focus on another footwear stock that's up big today, Finish Line, F-I-N-L. The mall-based chain of roughly 1,030 stores selling athletic shoes, apparel, and accessories. The last time Finish Line reported, this company had a history of delivering not-so-hot numbers. Even when one of its main suppliers, Nike, was shooting the lights out. But this morning, Finish Line at last reported some truly terrific results, I think the first of many. And just like I predicted in last week's game plan, they would deliver. The company earned 30 cents per share when Wall Street was only looking for 24 cents. And their revenue came in substantially higher than expected, up 9.1% year over year. And on top of that, Finish Line posted some same-store sales growth of 5.5%, thanks in part to strong sales of running shoes. I was looking for below 2%. Plus, Finish Line has a number of stores within the store locations at Macy's, and these locations are doing spectacularly. Sales up more than 35% year over year. Then there's Finish Line Specialty Running Group, which includes 76 specialty running stores under a host of different brands. This group was up an astounding 38.7%. It wasn't just my orders, because I do love mine. Year over year, that's amazing. No wonder Finish Line rallied today. Can the stock keep running? Let's check in with Glenn Lyon, the chairman and CEO of Finish Line. Hear more about the quarter and where his company is headed. Mr. Lyon, welcome back to Mad Money.
Hey, Jim, how are you?
Glenn, last time we spoke, you made it clear that weak quarter was an aberration and that many things were clicking and it would all come together. Just tick down the things that came together, because, boy, were you ever right.
You know, Jim, I'll be really technical with you. We got more of the good stuff and less of the bad stuff. We got rid of some inventory. We made some faux pas a year or so ago, and we've cleared that inventory, and now we're in good balance. We've got some brands clicking. The Jordans are better. The Nikes are better. The Under Armours are coming on strong.
Okay, so let's have our viewers understand this. In other words, Nike's a fabulous company, but there are given times you might not want certain kind of Nike, you want other. Do you think you just didn't have the right Nikes in the store at a particular moment?
Yeah, Jim, this happens in our business. Our people are pros. They've done this for a while. We make bets 8-9 months in advance. And when, especially running, which is a key factor to our business, when things don't work out as well as we planned, we hit a little bit of a skid, and that's what we did. But now we're back and moving in the right direction, and with Nike's support especially, but with a lot of other things going on in our inventory as well.
You really highlighted Under Armour. You mentioned Stephen Curry right on the conference call. It made a difference, didn't it?
Yeah, we've had a great relationship with the Jordan brand for years, and I've said to you before that this has been the longest run I've ever seen, and we hit a little bump in the road, but we're back there doing well with Jordan. But some of these newcomers are really great. Kyrie Irving for the Nike brand, fantastic. New young man on the scene, a lot of excitement around him. And then Under Armour with Stephen Curry, same thing. So, innovation is always important in our business, but new icons are also a lot of excitement for the Finish Line.
I thought this quarter you spoke more about technology than I've ever heard, more about customer relations management, technology to improve service levels, to transform supply chain. Much of your business had to go this way, right? You can't just, it's no longer just a good eye and hope they come and hope they like the stores.
Yeah, it's much more complex as time goes on, but that's why we developed a program that we call Omnichannel, which gives the customer the ability to buy from us whenever, wherever, and however they want, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So it's critical to us, and the investments in technology to enable us to deliver that and be true to the customer is critical to the success today, and is getting more and more so.
Are you taking some mind share within Macy's? I was astonished at how well this Macy's, this store within a store is working for you guys now.
Yeah, it's been great. Couple of years now we've been involved with these folks. It's been great for them and great for us. And when partnerships work that way, you keep moving forward. We just re-looked at about 25% of the stores, increased the space, gave it better locations, and we're looking for some really big things to come here in the back half of the year at Macy's again.
I know that a lot of people are worried about the strong dollar and on tourism and whether people still come to New York, but you singled out that Herald Square store is doing terrifically for you.
Yeah, Herald Square is just an incredible, incredible place. You go there on any evening or any Saturday, and they're shoulder to shoulder in our shop. Tremendous productivity, sales productivities, great excitement, and a lot of profits.
Well, I got to tell you, this was the quarter you said that for people to be in. I'm so glad I got a lot of people in the stock. You totally delivered. Glenn Lyon, Chairman, CEO of Finish Line, thank you so much for coming on Mad Money.
Thank you, Jim.
Guys, when these guys get it right, it's not one quarter. It's a year, maybe 2 years. Finish Line's the least expensive stock in this whole footwear group. Mad Money's back after the break. Booyah! Jim Cramer here from Mad Money. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube. Click here to subscribe and get the jump on my exclusives with CEOs, plus market news, investing advice, and a whole lot more.